There's a lot of noise around AI, but what can it actually do for procurement? In this lesson, you get a clear breakdown of where AI adds real value, where it falls short, and what that means for how your team should and shouldn't be using it. Some people think AI will replace procurement professionals, while others assume it's just another automation tool. The truth lies somewhere in between. In this lesson, we'll clarify what AI can and can't do in procurement, so you can set realistic expectations for yourself and your team. First, let's talk about what AI is good at. AI excels at processing large amounts of data quickly. It can analyze spend patterns, supplier performance, market trends, and contract terms in ways that would take a human hours or even days. It can automate repetitive tasks like summarizing procurement reports, drafting supplier communications, or identifying potential risks in contracts. AI can also be a great research assistant. It can scan supplier databases, compare pricing trends, and highlight key risks before renegotiation. A procurement leader from Croatia I talked to earlier this year said his team uses ChatGPT mostly to ask simple questions or rephrase emails. But he believes the real value of AI is in removing repetitive work. He told us he wants his team to stop wasting time on routine tasks, like filling out tables or sending out the same RFI over and over again. His goal is to free up their time so they can focus on thinking strategically. I agree with him. Speeding up routine tasks is one of the biggest advantages of AI in procurement. But there are clear limits to what AI can do. AI does not replace human expertise, judgment, or relationships. It can give you insights, but it can't make complex decisions for you. For example, AI can analyze supplier risk factors, but it doesn't understand the full context behind your supplier relationships. It can generate negotiation strategies, but it won't read the emotions or motivations of the person sitting across the table. AI also lacks real-world awareness. It can process information that exists in its database, but it doesn't have up-to-date insights on new supplier innovations, geopolitical risks, or internal business priorities, unless it's specifically programmed to retrieve that information. That being said, with the most recent updates, more AI models can properly browse the internet and stay up to date. And most importantly, AI can make mistakes. It predicts answers based on data patterns, but it doesn't actually verify if the information is correct. That brings us to one of the most critical lessons when it comes to AI. Always verify AI-generated information before acting on it. AI is a tool, not a decision maker. If your team blindly follows AI suggestions without fact-checking, it can lead to costly procurement mistakes. So the best way to use AI? Think of it as a supercharged research assistant, not a replacement for human expertise. It helps procurement teams make faster, more informed decisions. But those decisions still require your team's strategic thinking, relationship management, and professional judgment. AI can speed up analysis and surface insights, but it can't replace your judgment, relationships, or strategic calls. Treat it like a research assistant, not a decision maker. And make sure your team knows the difference. To help you out, we added a template below this lesson that summarizes where AI can help in procurement and where you should probably avoid it. For each task AI can help you, I'll include a link to a lesson from our AI in procurement course, which will explain how to go about it. I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll discuss common mistakes when adopting AI in procurement.